Good morning students. In this video we are going to study two special triangles and their properties. First triangle is equilateral triangle and second triangle is isosceles triangle. First of all, we are going to learn equilateral triangle and its properties. Students, we know that if in any triangle lengths of all sides are equal, then the triangle is called equilateral triangle. Students, here I have drawn one triangle. If we measure length of all sides, then first side is 10 centimeter, second side 10 centimeter, and third side 10 centimeter. Therefore, we observe here lengths of all sides are equal. Therefore, this triangle is equilateral triangle. And the first property of equilateral triangle is all sides have same length, or we can say that in equilateral triangle lengths of all sides are equal. Now students, we are going to measure all angles of this equilateral triangle with the help of a protractor. Therefore, if you measure first angle, then first angle is 60 degree. Second angle is also 60 degree. Now third angle is also 60 degree. Therefore, here we observe that measure of each angle is 60 degree. 60 degree, and this is also 60 degree. Therefore, second property of equilateral triangle is each angle has measure 60 degree, or we can say that in equilateral triangle measures of all angles are equal, that is 60 degree. Therefore, we can say that in equilateral triangle all sides have same length and each angle has measure 60 degree, and these two are called properties of equilateral triangle. Now, second triangle, isosceles triangle. Students, we know that if in any triangle lengths of two sides are equal, then the triangle is called isosceles triangle. Students, here I have drawn one triangle. Now we are going to measure lengths of all sides. 8 centimeter, second side 11 centimeter, and third side is also 11 centimeter. Therefore, in this triangle, two sides are equal. Therefore, we can say that this triangle is called isosceles triangle. Therefore, first property of isosceles triangle is two sides have same length, or we can say that in isosceles triangle lengths of two sides are equal. Now, if we measure each angle of isosceles triangle with the help of a protractor, then this angle is 70 degree. Now this angle is also 70 degree. Now this angle is 40 degree. Therefore, here we observe that this angle is 40 degree, this angle is 70 degree, and this angle is 70 degree. Therefore, in this triangle, measures of two angles are equal, and if you observe here, these two equal angles are opposite angles of equal sides. Now this angle is opposite of this side, and this angle is opposite of this side. Therefore, here these two equal angles are opposite of equal sides. Therefore, second property of isosceles triangle is angles opposite to equal sides are equal, or we can say that in isosceles triangle angles opposite to equal sides are also equal in measure. Therefore, we can say that in isosceles triangle two sides have same length. Second, angles opposite to equal sides are equal, and these two are called properties of isosceles. Or in another words, we can say that if in any triangle length of two sides is equal, then its opposite angles are also equal. And on the contrary to this, we can say that if in any triangle measures of two angles are equal, then its opposite sides are also equal. Students, I hope you understood all these things or properties of equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle. Thank you and have a nice day.